Hey everyone, here's my review of this cordless Milwaukee impact gun. This one here is brushless, so you don't have to worry about replacing the brushes like the older tools used to have. It's also the M12 model, so you want to make sure you have the proper M12 compatible batteries. It's easy to install, you just align it like this and push it in until you hear that click. I like how it has the built-in LED lights. They make it very convenient, especially if you're working in dimly lit areas. It has 3 different speed modes and then a screw mode. So the first mode is the 1. So you could see it has high torque and low speed. If you want to switch the modes, just press that little arrow. So the second mode is the medium speed and medium torque. And the third mode is the fastest speed but the lowest torque. And then the final one is the screw mode. Basically, this one is the best for those self-tapping screws. It's still very strong and very powerful. What I like about this unit specifically is that it has this built-in clip. So if you're working on a ladder or something, you don't have to hold it on continuously. You can clip it onto your belt or something. And the battery indicator is over here. So if you press the trigger quickly, you could see how much battery power you have left. Overall, this is a very solid tool. I would definitely recommend this, especially if you're a homeowner or if you work in construction or doing any kind of renovations. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. All the links and details are in the description below. And if you want more videos like this, please consider subscribing.